Okay, this tutorial is to show how to process the images that came from the confocal in native format, is separated by channels. In this case, we have 6 channels and RGB, and then we have also DIC beside all the classical colors. So when we are opening them all, what we wanted to do is to go to the duplicate layer. In this case, I have a shortcut set, which is Shift Control A. Here, you're wanting to duplicate the layer to the RGB one. And OK, and then you delete it. So I'm going to use my shortcut now. And I'm going to do exactly the same process for all the channels I have. And whenever you finish to have them all, you wanted to remove this lock here. What you want to do is rearrange to put the RGB on the top. We used to keep it there. Put the DIC after that, then the purple one, the DAPI at the end. So what we wanted to do now is to come here and go to the blending options. I have another shortcut here, which is Shift Control X. Whenever you press here for the DIC, we wanted to do lighten blending. Then for the purple, we are going to do the same. I'm using the shortcut now. Lighten, OK. But for the green and for the red, we are going to work here in advanced blending. We wanted to keep the green. We want to remove the red and the blue channel. And for the red, we are going to keep the red, reduce the green and the blue. And now we have everything together. We would like to rotate this image too. Whenever we finish to arrange this, what we are going to do is to select them all with Shift and make them a folder. In this case, the folder name should be the name that is in the picture. In this case, it's 2022, 12/16, and some information about the information that is useful for you. In this case, is the section and the mice, and anything that you think that is going to be worth it to have. So when you finish to this, you can click Save and save in the same RGB file. We don't use any compression at this time point. So here you are ready. You can go out and start doing the same for the following pictures. Whenever you finish to have them all, you will see, for example, this one is going to have a much higher size.